Welcome back to another video. As always, my name is Jasper. I am a no-code developer and also ChatGPT/AI specialist. Now, today we're going to be running over the 3 easiest ways to make money using ChatGPT and also the ChatGPT Builder. So let's dive in and run through it all. Okay, so first up we have release GPTs to the GPT Store. So what you can do here, this is a very entry level for people that might be learning, is you can create custom GPTs and release them to the GPT Store, which is handled by OpenAI themselves. You can also share it to other GPT stores sort of communities, so whether it be Reddit or directories that have GPTs listed. But the reason you'll be doing this, well, it's more of a long-term game, this one, as OpenAI have mentioned that they're going to be adding revenue incentive to the GPT store. So it's really just waiting until that happens, and then you would be at the forefront. But if you are learning to create custom GPTs, then I would definitely go with this approach, just to understand how to create them and make people that like them. Now, you can also, what you can do is allow a pay for access feature. So what that does is basically for people to get the link to use the GPT, the custom GPT, they have to pay money. Now, the security is not great because anybody with the custom link could actually be able to use it, but that is an option. And then you can also implement your affiliate or referral links into the custom GPT itself. All right, so let's move on to option number 2. Alright, so this is build GPTs for businesses. Now this is probably the best option. It will be perfect for beginners and people with experience. Now what you do is you build custom GPTs using the GPT Builder that's within ChatGPT, and you're basically just finding businesses' problems. And that's usually anything to do around content, so whether it be writing an article, writing social media posts, and you really have a, let's say, a 15 to 30 minute meeting with them, get an understanding of what they need in their specific scenario and where they might actually need help. It might not be with articles or social media, it could be something completely different. But this is usually the best option because there'll be something that can be done, and then what you do is you charge them an amount of money for it, let's say $500, and you will go make them a custom GPT in the GPT Builder that really does what they want to do easily. So let's say might take a 30-minute process down to 3 minutes sort of situation, and that's what people really pay for. Now, it's good here because you've got such a large audience. You can really work with any business at all, any business that really wants to save time and money. Now, you can also offer custom solutions, so it doesn't have to be articles, social media, just custom solutions for their needs. Really, in the first meeting, just get an understanding of what they want and need. Now, number 3, we have bespoke GPT training and support. Now, this is for people that maybe do a bit better with presenting stuff, training people, support, or maybe it's the type of business that you like. You can actually teach businesses and staff on how to use ChatGPT. You can also show them how to use the GPT Builder. So this is more of a bespoke option. Is when you create sort of training for them that's more specific to their needs. It could be in person, it could be online, it could be even training videos. The world is your oyster. And it can be a good approach because you can also be their go-to person, so any ongoing support. So it means you can continuously get money for them if they have questions or needs in the future. And business like that, they usually do refer you on, so you'll most likely get business from other people, and you could charge probably upwards of thousands of dollars for custom GPT training. So that's the top 3 easiest options really for making money with ChatGPT and OpenAI. Now, there is the getting clients side of it. So let's say you've got inbound and you've got outbound. Now, inbound is potential clients coming to you, so they might reach out from your website, from LinkedIn. Outbound is when you're trying to reach out to other people. So let's say you could be cold emailing them, cold calling them, or maybe reaching out on LinkedIn yourself. So that's more outbound approach. Now, if you wanted to get clients in the AI business space, you're really going to be targeting B2B. And if you're going to go in an inbound and outbound approach, LinkedIn is definitely the way to go. What you can start doing is start posting around the services you provide and just stuff that people would be interested in. Don't focus on advertising your service, really just get in front of people. So start making noise, whether it's posting on LinkedIn, doing blog posts, doing blog articles, maybe doing some events, really getting in front of people, and then start connecting with them as well. So those business owners in your niche or in the area that you're working in, start connecting with them, and they'll start seeing your content, and those organic sort of inbound messages will come. And you can also do outbound, so once they connect, you can always reach out to them as well. Then you've got the organic side, which is very important. So utilize, blogging, utilize LinkedIn articles. They all get indexed within Google. So anyone searching for your services will find you. So start doing this and just start making noise. And once you start getting noticed, people start coming to you. Now, if you are interested in joining the Slack group, it is a free Slack group. You'll find it in the comment section below. I'll pin the comment. It's just for a community of people that are wanting to run AI automation agencies. So you'll be able to really communicate with other people around the world doing the same thing. It doesn't matter if you're one man band or you've got a few people working at your agency. It's really for anyone just in the AI automation agency game. Now, if you're interested in learning how to set up or provide these services, I do offer training, coaching, support, whatever you want to call it. So if you want to get in contact, there will also be a link to book my calendar, and we can sit down and get an understanding of what I could do to help you. With that, I can also help you start growing your agency, getting more people inbound, and offer consulting services. But thanks for watching the video. As mentioned, all links, description and comment section. See you on the next one.